Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we will be delving into a topic related to the health and wellness of teachers. Whether you are an educator yourself or know someone who is, this video is a must watch. We will discuss the common health issues faced by teachers and provide valuable tips on prevention. Teaching is an incredibly rewarding profession, but it can also have an impact on your health. Teachers often encounter a range of health issues such as dehydration, voice strain, back problems, eye strain and visual discomfort, and mental health challenges. The demanding nature of the job, prolonged periods of standing, and high stress level can contribute to these problems. Now let us explore some of the most prevalent health issues the teacher face and discover how educators can prevent them. Number 1. Dehydration. Teacher may not have regular access to water or may limit their fluid intake due to limited break times or a continuous teaching schedule. These issues can lead to dehydration, which in turn can contribute to the formation of kidney stones. Preventing dehydration is crucial. Ensuring adequate water intake throughout the day can help preventing dehydration and reduce the risk of kidney stones formation. We recommend keeping a water bottle with you during classes and attending to nature calls promptly without delay. Number 2. Voice strain. Teachers often need to project their voices over extended periods, which can strain their vocal cords. Speaking loudly in noisy classrooms and consistently talking throughout the day can lead to vocal fatigue. To prevent voice strain, teachers should learn effective voice care techniques and consider using voice amplification devices in classrooms to reduce strain. Number 3. Back problems. Standing for long durations, bending down to help students, and carrying heavy bags can result in back pain. Poor postures and improper lifting techniques further add to the risk. Educating teachers on maintaining good posture, lifting objects correctly, and incorporating regular stretching exercises can resolve potential back problems. Number 4. Eye strain and visual discomfort. Staring at screens for extended periods can lead to eye strain, dry eyes, blurred vision, and headaches. To prevent eye strain and visual discomfort caused by prolonged computer use, teacher can take several steps. Firstly, they should adjust their computer setup to ensure the screen is positioned at a proper distance and angle with adequate lighting and minimal glare. Secondly, practicing good ergonomics by maintaining a comfortable posture and using supportive equipment can help reducing strain. Number 5. Mental health challenges. Teaching can be emotionally demanding, often resulting in stress, anxiety, and burnout. The pressure to meet lesson plans, handle behavior issues, and support diverse student needs can take a toll to mental well-being. It is crucial to advocate for the importance of self-care and stress management strategies. Encouraging dialogue among teachers to create a supportive environment and making use of available counseling services can also be beneficial. In conclusion, prioritizing health is paramount, especially for educators. By taking proactive steps to care of their well-being, teachers not only safeguard their own health but also enhance their ability to deliver quality education. When teachers are healthy and well, they are better equipped to meet the demands of their profession and positively impact the lives of their students. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.